Understanding the Spirit of Unity, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, Spirit of Unity. This concept is not just about language, but also about the values and ideas that bring people together. Let's dive in and understand what this means and how it's used in English. The phrase, Spirit of Unity, refers to a feeling or attitude of agreement and support among a group of people. It's about coming together, sharing common goals, and working as one. This spirit is often seen in teams, communities, and even nations, especially during challenging times. It's about putting aside differences and focusing on what unites us. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday English. You might hear it in sentences like, "The team showed a great spirit of unity during the tournament." In times of crisis, we see a remarkable spirit of unity among the people. These examples show how the phrase is used to describe collective cooperation and harmony. The spirit of unity is not just a linguistic expression. It's a cultural value. It's celebrated in various forms across different cultures and is often a key theme in literature, music, and public speeches. It symbolizes the strength and resilience of a community working together. As an English learner, you can use this phrase to express solidarity and teamwork. For instance, let's work in the spirit of unity to complete this project. Our community's spirit of unity makes it a wonderful place to live. These examples show how you can incorporate the phrase into your daily conversations. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, Spirit of Unity, in your English conversations. It's a powerful expression that goes beyond words, embodying cooperation, harmony, and collective strength. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and values they represent. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.